Today's recipe is a homemade cabbage Manchurian without any store-bought sauce. The ingredients are 2 cups of thoroughly washed and finely chopped cabbage, 3 to 4 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour, 3 to 4 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of salt to make the cabbage pakoda, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder. For seasoning, 1.5 tablespoon of oil, finely chopped green chilies around 3 or more, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 5 to 6 chopped garlic, 2 to 3 tablespoon of chopped cilantro and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, finely chopped 1 big onion, around 3 medium-sized tomatoes chopped, half teaspoon salt, half tablespoon of jaggery powder, it's optional. In a big bowl, take this washed and chopped cabbage. To this, add salt, add red chili powder, turmeric powder and jeera, corn flour and maida. Mix it well without adding water. Actually, there is no need to add the water. So we have this cabbage pakoda dough. You can make the pakoda and just eat the pakodas like that, or you can make the Manchurian. Now keep the oil for frying. Once the oil is hot enough, just to check, add little bit of dough. If it comes up, it is ready. Now dip your hand in the water. Take the dough and just add a tablespoon of this mix into the oil like this and fry it until it turns golden brown. After a minute or so, turn this to the other side and let it cook golden brown on both the sides. Now it is golden brown on both the sides. Remove it and take it onto a paper towel or the colander and continue the same procedure until all the dough is done. Now we have to give the seasoning for the Manchurian. So heat the oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add jeera, chopped ginger, green chilies, mix it once and then add this chopped garlic, fry it for some time. Then add the chopped onion and fry it until it becomes translucent. Now we have to add this chopped tomatoes and fry it in high flame so that the water evaporates and the mix becomes little thick like this. So this is the only masala we are using, no store-bought sauces. So turn off the heat, add the chopped cilantro, salt and jaggery powder. Jaggery powder is optional, but it does give some taste to this Manchurian. Mix it really well and now to this add the fried pakodas or the cabbage bondas. Mix it well and the onion, tomatoes and garlic, all those things you can add according to your taste. Now our cabbage Manchurian is ready to eat. It is done without any store-bought sauces. I hope you enjoy making this. For more recipes, please visit our website at foodandremedy.com. Thank you.